Hi, I'm Malcolm Kanga. I've joined this course with Dr. Kunwar and absolutely amazing sessions. His team has been amazing. I'm not a practitioner, but somehow I felt very connected with the details, did not feel bored. And it is a basic knowledge of dowsing is what I used to understand the nuances. Basically, doctor demystifies Vastu. It is not so complicated. And I think that those who are having Vastu as a hobby like me should look to join this course and get the knowledge. He also has a very good support team that will support you if you start practicing. In fact, after this course, now I will be going into a practice mode from my current hobby, the hobby that I'm doing. Thanks.